Hello everyone, this is Sikandar Kumar, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use the uh, or how to create the list. So basically generally in writing there are three types of listing environment in LaTex. So first environment, listing environment is enumerate, second is itemize, and third one is description. Okay, so we will learn one by one, and we will also take one or two example to elaborate each one: enumerate, itemize, and description. So let's begin from the enumerate listing environment. So first, if you want to use the enumerate listing environment, just begin backslash begin middle curly bracket enumerate. Okay, so when you write begin enumerate, it automatically comes end enumerate. Okay, so between begin and end you have to write the item list. Okay, so backslash item item, just make one space and just write the list name like Assam. Now second, backslash item space, okay, Punjab. Next line, backspace item space Rajasthan. Backspace item space Jharkhand. Okay, so let's see how it will look like. See, this is the list which we have created in enumerate listing environment. So Assam, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand are listed 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us try to write some of other enumerate between the enumerate. Okay, so we are trying to write something between Assam and Punjab. So okay, so when you are reading any article or any book, you have already encountered that some of the things are written enumerate inside the enumerate. So let us try to do that. So just see item Assam, just here backslash begin middle bracket enumerate. Okay, so between this just write backslash item space like this 4. Okay, again write backslash item right Shoni. Okay, so let's see how it will look like. See, enumerates are inside the enumerate. So here Assam is number 1, and inside the Assam there is 2 more options, Tezpur and Sonipat. So here we will try to write another in this case between the Punjab. Okay, so make a space, backspace, begin enumerate. Okay, and now between this write backspace backslash item. You can write anything. So here we will write some of the districts of Punjab. Okay, so item write Jalandhar, Jalandhar. Next line backspace item space Ludhiana, backspace item Amritsar. Okay, So let's see how it will look like. See, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Amritsar. Okay, now I'm trying to write between the Amritsar. Okay, so just make the space, backspace, begin, enumerate, and now write between these Amritsar. So okay, just write Golden Temple, backspace, item, Golden Temple, and see how it will look like. See here, in here Assam, Punjab, and between these Jalandhar, and under the Amritsar you have you can see the Golden Temple. So this is the way where you can write in a list format. So when you are giving the number system, you can say that is enumerate listing environment. So now we can learn some other listing environment, that is itemize. Okay, so itemize, begin, itemize. Now once you write begin itemize, automatically in itemize command will come. Okay, so between this here you can write item India, and you can see how it will look like in itemize. See, there is no numbering system, you will get one bullet point. So this type of listing is termed as itemize. So here we can see, and we can write other item USA. Next, backslash item space China, backslash item Bangladesh. Okay, so see how it will look like here: India, USA, China, Bangladesh. So if you want to write anything between the between the itemize, you can also write in the same way. So I'm just trying to write down between the India. So space, begin, backslash, begin, and itemize. Okay, so here backslash item. Now I can just write Bihar, backslash item Jharkhand, backslash item Delhi, backslash item Punjab. Okay, so see how it will look like here. Between India, you can see there are 4 more options: Bihar, Jharkhand, Delhi, and Punjab. Okay, so spelling is mistake, Punjab. Okay, Punjab. Now if you want to write anything between the this itemize, like between the Bihar or Jharkhand, or between Jharkhand or Bihar, so let us try to write between Jharkhand. So backslash begin itemize, and now write item, like Ranchi, backslash item Bokaro, backslash item Dhanbad. Let's see how it will look like. Between Jharkhand and Delhi, you will see Ranchi, Bokaro, and Dhanbad. So let us now try to write down some of the between in Dhanbad. So just click backspace, begin, atomize. Okay, now between atomize, just write item Zaria. Okay, and next item Baliyapur. Now see how it will look like. So between Dhanbad, you can see there is one Jharia and Baliyapur. So you can see here there are 4 layers: India, Bihar, Jharkhand, Delhi, Punjab. So this is the second layer, and third one is Ranchi, Bokaro, Dhanbad. Third layer, and Jharia, Baliyapur. So in LaTex, you can write in 4 layer. Basically, this is used while we are writing article. So this is very good to use 4 layer in your article. So now come to the third part or the last part, that is called description. Okay, so just backslash, begin, description, and between this begin and end command you can just write backslash item and a square bracket between a, okay, India, again item square bracket b, c, Pakistan, backslash item square bracket within a small bracket c, China. You can see how it will look like. Here you can see A, India, Pakistan. Okay, sorry, there is some mistake. Close the bracket. Okay, now see India, Pakistan. There is one spelling mistake. See India, Pakistan, China. So between India, Pakistan, and China, we can use also the second layer. So just make begin description, and now slice backslash item square bracket, you can say write A. Okay, now you can say Patna. Now backslash item square bracket B, Ranchi, backslash item square bracket C, Delhi. Okay, so see how it will look like. Here A, B, C are in capital, and this is the second layer. India is in first layer, and A, B, C, I mean Patna, Ranchi, Delhi are in second layer. So now we can write down between this layer. So here you can see, right, Ranchi, backslash begin description, and now backslash item. Here you can write block backslash item square bracket and panchayat. See here, between Ranchi or in the third layer, it is written block and panchayat. Okay, so this is all about the studio lecture. So in this case, in this video, I have covered three listing environment. First, enumerate. Second, atomize, and third one is description.